This product is becoming a fever among housewives. This is definitely what you're looking for. So here's the thing, folks. Let's start by adding here the peels from 5 limes, alright? I'll put it all in the blender. Then let's add 17 ounces of water. Just tap water at room temperature. Put it here. And now let's blend everything very well. After this recipe, I'm sure you'll never throw lime peel away again. Now cover it and let's blend everything very well. Now get a container. I'm gonna put a sieve here and we're gonna strain this, because we're only gonna use the juice from this mixture. Put it here and let's stir it with a spoon to strain it better. Now let's add here 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Put it here. There will be a small reaction, but it's totally fine. Now I'm gonna wait for the foam to go down a little. Now let's use alcohol. This is 46%, but you can use 70% as well. The alcohol will help to exhale the smell better. Let's add here between 2 to 3 ounces of alcohol. I'm gonna just go ahead and measure by eye, but that's the amount we need. Let's also add here 1 tablespoon of salt. Just regular refined salt. The salt is gonna help to preserve the product for much longer, okay? And to finish, 1 tablespoon of washing powder. Put it here, and now just mix everything very well. And now folks, this is what we're gonna do. Take a plastic bottle like this one, alright? And with the help of a funnel, go ahead and transfer all this product to the bottle. Then make a small hole in the lid, just to make it easier to apply, okay? Then let's close it. And now I'm gonna show you how you can use this product. So folks, you can use this product to clean your kitchen floor. In addition to giving it a very nice shine, it's also gonna leave a lime scent. A citrus scent, quite fragrant. You can also use it to clean countertops. In addition to cleaning, it's gonna help to scare away those little mosquitoes. Whenever we clean the kitchen sink, they keep showing up, especially after lunch. So this product is great for cleaning, and it also leaves a nice aroma. And here in the toilet, folks, this is where you're gonna use it the most, because it's gonna leave it with a nice aroma, removing any bad odor, and it's also gonna kill all the bacteria in there. Sounds nice, right? So go ahead and apply it like this. Then just scrub everything very well. And my last tip, folks, is to apply it down the drains, especially in the bathroom. And why is that? To avoid it accumulating those little annoying mosquitoes. You know, those little mosquitoes that basically every bathroom has? This product here, with the help of lime scent, it's gonna prevent them from appearing. So guys, try this at home. You're definitely gonna love the result.